In ancient times, there was a people known as Thamud, who lived in a land rich with resources and power, but they were immersed in disbelief and corruption, worshipping idols and turning away from the worship of Allah. They were unaware of the truth brought by the prophets. Among them was a righteous man, a prophet of Allah, named Saleh. He was a wise and pious man, known for his good character and honesty. Saleh began calling his people to worship Allah alone, warning them against idol worship, and urging them to repent from their sins. However, his people responded to his call with mockery and stubbornness. They said to him, "If you are truthful in your call, then show us a miracle so that we may believe in you." So Saleh, in response to their demand, prayed to Allah to send them a miracle to prove the truth of his message. Allah answered Saleh's prayer and sent them a great miracle. A massive she-camel emerged from a solid rock in a marvelous display. This camel was a sign from Allah, possessing miraculous qualities. It was able to drink water in one day, while no other animal could drink in that day. Saleh commanded his people to allow the she-camel to drink on its day and to treat it with kindness. However, the people of Saleh ignored this great miracle. They continued in their arrogance and disobedience. And as a result, they killed the she-camel, defying Allah's command. Upon this, Saleh warned them, saying, "Enjoy yourselves for 3 more days, and then the punishment that will not be averted will come upon you." As the days passed, the punishment began to approach. On the 3rd day, Allah sent a mighty earthquake, and they were destroyed in an instant. Thus, the people of Saleh met their end, those who insisted on their sins and refused to respond to the call of truth. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel